Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 12:25 in Honolulu, 6:25 in New York on Tuesday, 6th day of May, 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold prices are surging to unprecedented levels this year, with back-to-back gains today, suggesting another parabolic price move could be imminent. Gold has shattered multiple records throughout this year, building on an impressive 80% increase since October of 2024, translating to a net gain of $1,564 in just about 14 months. One of the prominent forces moving gold higher has been central banks globally accumulating gold at record levels. In particular, China's central bank has been extremely aggressive, increasing its gold reserves for the fourth straight month since February. Currently, China's gold reserves rose to 73.61 million fine troy ounces at the end of February. Now, for the second consecutive day, gold prices have surged almost $100 on each day. Yesterday, gold gained $96.10, a net gain of 2.96%, taking the most active June contract to $3,343.50, followed by today's dynamic $98 gain. That's a net increase of 2.94%, taking June gold to $3,441.80. Gold is trading overseas in Australia, down $36.70 from New York's close, as some short-term traders bank profits. Gold's recent move has been nothing short of spectacular. In fact, since the end of October, when gold was trading at $1,950, it has risen $1,564, or a net percentage gain of 80.5% in the short time span of about 12 months. One of the best ways we can look at trend momentum, strength, and an indication as to whether or not the gains in gold will continue, or if we are anywhere near a potential top in the market. To that end, I have converted our daily chart to a Heikin-Ashi chart. Heikin-Ashi is one of the best techniques to look at the strength of a trend. We look at two things: body size and the absence of lower wicks. The reason the absence of lower wicks are important is that that says that at no point during the trading session did gold prices go to or below the midpoint of the prior candle. That's exceedingly strong. Body size has been exceedingly strong up until the record highs that we saw on Tuesday. More importantly, after a short correction, we got our pivot candle, a green candle, which actually represents Monday's trading activity, a $98 gain. But because it's a Heikin-Ashi, it will be a pivot candle rather than a large candle, followed by today's remarkable action. And this last candle is action overseas in Australia. In fact, gold prices have been so strong that when we look at our Elliott wave count, we see points in which you get a full motive phase, waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is followed by a short correction only labeled A, and you go right into the next motive phase, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We did get a correction here, an ABC correction, and here again, we've gotten an extended motive phase, and it is more than likely that it will once again restart the clock with yet another motive phase as gold challenges and takes out the former all-time record high, which I believe gold will. My upside targets and forecasts have been dramatically revised today. It is based upon the recent action this last rally, which we saw gold move from $2,973 up to the all-time record high, a net gain of $552 or 18% over 8 trading days, a very, very short period. I believe that we could see gold move in a very similar fashion, which is why I have cloned this analysis of price and time. And if I am correct and gold moves in a similar manner up another $500, we could see gold trade as high as $3,750. Lastly, if you read my opening letter today, my new forecast for gold by the first quarter of next year is between $3,900 and $4,000 per ounce. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.